Good morning, guys. So today we're going to Watertown. We're going to US today. So we're going to bring this guy to his appointment. So yeah. So we're going to Watertown, New York today. See you guys in Watertown. It's nice and sunny. We'll go beach shopping there in Fort Drum. Alright, see you there, guys.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, I wanna touch, kiss you. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something.
Alright, so we were in the US now. See, Angel is up now. Do you know you were like snoring? Not loud, but you're 4:30.
I can't believe we started our friends. Oh, it's like we were meant to be lovers. All I wanna do.
Looks so yummy, guys. Just Mexican food for the day.
Mom, I see you in the corner of my eye.
You see me in the corner of my eye.
Fish oil, but I still
in
have
my
some, so I'm
service.
still taking it.
There's this one.
Here's the reason why she's here. Oh, that one is nicer than this one. Oh, that's a little bit big though.
Is that me or you? That's you.
Did I send you a message?
No, but I heard. This is big.
I know this is big.
Like wide. Like look at how mine is narrow. On with the new, back with the old. Wait, what's the saying?
Alright, so hey guys, we're shopping here at Fort Drum and we're waiting for Angel. She's going to try on this dress. So we'll wait for her. Take my picture. Alright, that's it. Her guys, Angel is trying on her clothes that time. And then after that, shopping naman kami guys ng mga grocery. Kasi free tax dito guys sa Fort Drum. Kasi veteran secret. So ayan, so 0 calories yan guys. So yeah, I'm for coffee mate, kinda like that guys. So ayan, kasi wala niyan, yung iba wala sa Canada, kaya nagsha-shopping ako ng ganyan dito sa US guys. So ayan, And then we did lot more shopping ng mga yogurt, guys. Si Angel, tinitignan niya kung ano yung magugustuhan niya na yogurt. So ako, yung gusto kong yogurt is Greek yogurt. So, Greek yogurt. So yeah, I tried some Greek yogurt there, guys. I shop some. Kasi big size dito sa US, sa Canada kasi small lang yung mga yogurt nila. So yan, big size dito, guys. So yeah, kaya yan. Shopping kami, guys. Yan, tuwa siya. Pili siya ng kanyang yogurt na magugustuhan.
Yes.
Guys, namimili si Angel yan, guys, ng kanyang yogurt.
Oh, it tastes good?
No, there is no sweetness. Ang dami mong pagpilian. Ako, pinili ko yung Greek yogurt, guys. Low calorie lang siya. Zero sugar, low calorie. Yan, ang dami mong pagpilian, guys. Yan, guys. Yan. Shopping kami ng yogurt dyan. Uwi namin sa Canada, guys. Ang dami, guys. Yan yung napili ko.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell.
So messed up.
Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though
Chobani.
it's new, I can
But that is a
already
yogurt.
tell. Oh, that this feeling
Here's Chupani plate, almond
is
chocolate.
taking over.
See, this is red velvet
Our time,
Yogurt too.
I wanna
flavor.
They're like in a cup though.
every thought.
That's expensive. They don't have package like but that is really good, Angel. For you, you're doing a workout. For you to build a muscle, you just you can drink it. Can eat it before and after. You can drink it. You can have it before or after. Alright, so we're done shopping, guys. Their girl shop like a rich girl. She feel like she have money. Like
I do.
yeah, you do have money. Oh no, not.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Exactly.
Oh,
exactly.
you're because you're broke. You need.
Exactly next week, Monday. I'm going to.
Yeah. So we're leaving the exchange, guys, for drum exchange. Angel.
This is just milk.
We shop here. We spend like double. You look at me. Ayan, guys, papunta na kami dyan, guys, sa downtown. Ida-drop kami ni Chris sa mall kasi pupunta na siya sa kanyang doctor appointment. Ayan, guys, going to Watertown Mall. Ayan dyan, guys, sa ida-drop ni Chris. So me and Angel order a milkshake on this store there. So we'll see if it will taste good. It's like $7. But yeah, we'll see. So me and Angel are done shopping. So we're waiting for Chris. Yeah. Smoothie there. So yeah, we're here in the mall waiting for Dad, for Chris to finish his appointment, and then we're heading back to Canada. So yeah. Ayan, guys, nag-enjoy lang ako dyan sa Pampaswerte na dyan sa may dito kami sa may tea. Bumili kami ng smoothie ni Chris dyan. So, smoothie niya, umorder siya ng mixed berries smoothie bago kami ulit. So we're heading home now, guys. Alright. It's Watertown. And I'm eating this yogurt.
Well, he did check my prostate, so it wasn't a total waste.
So we're heading back to Canada. We're still in Thousand Island, New York. So this is the bridge. So they have like two bridges here, going to Canada and crossing to New York. There it is. Look at that. So beautiful, nice and weather there. Very nice. When you go like Thousand Island boat tour, we're going to see that. Want to cross there. It is a nice house over there.
There's a tower over there.
That's a Thousand Island Tower. So ayan guys, nasa border na kami niyan guys. Papuntang Canada na. So yeah, papakita lang namin yung passport namin. Ang Paula, nasa Canada na ulit. We arrived in Canada guys. We're here in Canada now. Angel are so sleepy, they're so tired. Yeah, didn't even know that we crossed the border. Oh yeah. Now, it's another an hour and 20 minutes be home. So yeah, I'll see you at home guys. So we're home now guys. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we made it home. It's adorable. It's so bright. Okay, it's so bright. So yeah. Okay guys. We're here. Okay, so here in our house.
Angela been hiding. Haven't seen her in a while.
I've seen her the other day. Okay guys, so yeah. It's my garden. I need to check it first. Okay. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye-bye.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known.